Hi, in this tutorial I would like to tell you how to add shadow to the object in Inkscape. So if you want to get the result like this, you need to watch this video to the end. Okay, so how can you do it? First you need to do is select from here rectangle tool. And now we need to create here a new rectangle. So I will create something like that. Of course you can change the color to another one if you want. Now we need to click selector tool and you need to select this object. Then you need to move your cursor to upper side and go to filters. Then you will see here a lot of really helpful settings, but we are interested in to go to shadows and glows. And here you have option like drop shadow. We need to open this option and I recommend you to set a blue radius to 3, horizontal offset to 6 and vertical offset to 6. Of course you can choose the shadow type. Normally I prefer outer, but you can check how it works with another types. So I select outer and I click live preview. Of course you can change settings to another if you want, but if you are happy about the results you need to click apply and then I will close the window. And like you see, the shadow has been successfully added to object, and it's how it works. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to solve your problem, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And it's everything. Thank you for watching.